I'm JoJo Wood, I'm 24, I'm a spoon carver and a clog maker. I got into craft through my dad, who is also a craftsperson. So I grew up surrounded by people making things. I can actually remember being at my grandma's house and I burnt my mouth on my spoon. It was just a complete shock to me because I grew up surrounded by wooden spoons. I came to clog making in my early 20s when I was looking for my next woodworking challenge. What really drew me to it was the fact that there's only a couple of other practitioners. Both of them make very traditional styles of clogs. So there's a lot of opportunity for making really creative, innovative, new designs that have never been made before. The type of clog making I do is critically endangered. There's only 3 of us left doing it in the country, and it involves hand carving the soles specifically to each person's foot. I find the act of making incredibly therapeutic. Using tools on fresh wood just puts you into this place which is so calming. I always love teaching because it means I get to share that with everybody, and I think Airbnb experiences is going to be a fantastic way of reaching a whole load more people and sharing these fantastic crafts with them. So we need to keep these skills alive.